right, now we have order of operations problem. All right, so first thing I'm going to do is with the parentheses. So I have 4 5 tenths minus 3 and 175 thousandths. All right, add my placeholders and then go ahead and subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. 10 minus 9 minus 9. 9 minus 7 is 2. 4 minus 1 is 3. Drop my decimal. I'm not quite lined up. And then 4 minus 3 is 1. All right, so if I subtract that, I should have 1 and 325 thousandths. All right, now I need to multiply times 244, 244 hundredths. All right, so multiply 4, so now I get, so 4 times 5 is 20, 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2, 4 times 3 is 12, plus the 1, and 4 times 1 is 4, plus the 1, so 5. Same thing because it's a 4, so 0, 0, 3, 5. And then 2. 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times 2 is 4, plus 1 is 5. 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 1 is 2. Okay. Add them all up. Not quite even. I'm going to erase that real quick, actually. A little bit better. So add them all up. 0, 0, 3, 13, 12, 3. All right. Now, I'm going to erase that because I actually have the answer. Now, to find my decimal, I counted the number of spots to the right of the decimal, so 3 in the first value, 2 in the second, and moved my decimal spot over 5 times, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I can drop those last zeros, and so my answer is 3 and 233 thousandths. All right, go ahead and give this one a shot, and hit resume when you're ready to go. All right, first I'm going to add my values. Times plus, work my parentheses, I should say. Remember, adding, we line up by the decimal point. Add a placeholder. All right, 6, 9, 9. So I now have, for my parentheses portion, is 9 and 96 hundredths. Step 2, I need to multiply 5 and 7 times 9 and 96 hundredths. And that's going to be 42. 7 times 9 is 63. 63 plus the 4, so it's 7. 9 times 9 is 63 again, plus the 6, 63, 69. Let me double check that. It seems a little off. Nope, that's right. And then 5 times 6 is 30. 5 times 9 is 45 plus 3 is 48. 9 times 5 is 45 plus the 4, 49. All right, check that. Yep. 2, 7, 17, 11, 5. All right, count the number of decimal point spots from the decimal point. I got 2 here, 1 there, so move it over 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And so my answer is 51 and 772 thousandths. All right, we're going to roll into word problem. Okay. You buy 275 pounds of tomatoes, you hand the cashier a $10 bill. How much change will you receive? All right, so the first thing I need to do is figure out how much my tomatoes I bought. So tomatoes were $2.75. Let me just. So I multiplied $1.89 per pound times 272 and 75 cents a pound, right? And then I would get 5 and 1,975 ten-thousandths. And then I had 4 spots the way of decimal, so I moved it over 4 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And then if I paid with a $10 bill, if that's how much I spent for the tomatoes and I paid for a $10 bill, I need to figure out the change. All right. So the cost of the tomatoes is $5.20. The reason why we got 520 is because we don't have 75. We don't have anything for that in terms of money. So we just rounded it up to the nearest penny. All right. So step 2, subtract the cost from the tomatoes from the amount you hand the cashier. So 10 minus $5.20 equals $4.80. So you receive $4.80 in change. All right, go ahead and do the on your own.